This is Sean Shepley with Shades Austin. I'd like to talk to you about benefits of interior room darkening shades. Basically, if you want some privacy and you also want at the same time to darken the light out, maybe you want to allow the kids to sleep in or yourself on a weekend, you run interior room darkening shades. When those come down, it'll darken the natural light out. You can add side tracks to them if you want to make them more of a blackout, or if you're okay with just a little bit of ambient light on the edges, you can just do the room darkening material. They also will keep fading off of your hardwood floors. It will cool down your area. Wherever you put the shades, that room will be a little bit cooler. It traps it against the glass. And the benefit of having them motorized is you don't have to get out of bed and go pull on a cord and run every single one of them up or down. You can just hit the button while in bed, or you can even put them on a timer to where they come and go at a certain time of day or night. When you get up in the morning, help you wake up for work, or before you go to bed at night, you can have those on a set of a timer and have them run periodically throughout the day as well. Allow you to not have to go mess with each single one at the window space.